Some of Egypt's greatest treasures are not found in ancient temples or historic monuments, but it is its remarkable natural landscapes. In the country's far southeastern corner, near the border with Sudan, and along the Red Sea coast, lies Jebel Elba Protected Area, one of the most unique and biological diverse ecosystems in North Africa. Covering nearly 35,000 square kilometers, Gebel Elba is one of Egypt's largest protected areas. Thanks to its distinctive geography and climate, the mountain captures moisture from sea fog, creating an environment unlike anywhere else in the country. This rare phenomenon allows lush vegetation to flourish in a region otherwise surrounded by desert. The protected area is home to hundreds of plant species, many of them found nowhere else in Egypt. It also provides a safe habitat for a remarkable variety of wildlife, including the Nubian ibex, Douglas gazelle, striped hyena, wild cats, and numerous reptiles, and also birds. For scientists and conservationists, Gebel Elba is considered one of Egypt's most valuable natural laboratories. But Jebel Elba is more than a haven for biodiversity. It offers exceptional opportunities for ecotourism and adventure travel. Visitors can explore landscapes, untouched coastal areas, while enjoying activities such as hiking, birdwatching, wildlife, and tribal campaigning. Unlike traditional mass tourism, ecotourism in Jebel Elba encourages visitors to experience nature while helping protect it for future generations. The area is also home to the Eavpt people, whose deep knowledge of the desert and their sustainable way of life have been passed down through generations. Their traditions add an important cultural dimension to the visitor experience, demonstrating the close relationship between people and nature. As global demand for sustainable travel continues to grow, destinations like Gebel Elba are becoming increasingly important. They offer travelers authentic experiences while supporting conservation efforts and creating economic opportunities for local communities. With its extraordinary biodiversity, breathtaking scenery, and commitment to environmental preservation, Gebel Elba stands as one of Egypt's hidden gems, an unforgettable destination that reflects the country's rich natural heritage and reinforces its growing role as a leading ecotourist destination in Africa.